When it comes to energy efficiency in the home, there's a few things that probably the first thing you want to do is call and have somebody come out who's certified in testing your home for energy efficiency. They're going to test for, first and foremost, air leakage. They're going to go around your home, crawl in your attic, around your foundation, and they're going to see where air is actually coming in, getting trapped in the walls, or coming straight through the walls. Places like your outlets on the outside wall of homes, in your ceilings, especially on when you don't have living space above you, if you have attic air coming into the home. And you can do certain things. You can add insulation to your attic. You can do blow-in insulation in your walls. They can actually cut holes in your wall cavities and do blow-in insulation. You can add sealants around your light switches and outlets in your walls. Again, windows. Windows is a huge thing. A lot of your old wood windows have a high rating for air leakage, which means the more air that's coming from the outside passing through that window, because that window is breezy, is going to change the temperature that you're trying to control on the inside of your home. So your furnace or your air conditioners are going to kick over a lot more frequently. If you replace your windows, you can cut down on that air leakage drastically, especially when you go with the right product. If your siding is going bad, you can add siding to the side of your house. When we typically side or do a second envelope type of siding, we're going to strip the bats and all the damaged wood on the outside of the home, and we're going to wrap the house in a vapor barrier. It's a vapor and wind barrier. We're going to wrap that all the way around the house. We're going to tape it to your windows and all your openings in your house. So replacing your windows to make your house more energy efficient is probably going to be one of the best things you can do for the fastest results for your heating and cooling and the comfort of your home. A lot of your old wood windows have very poor air leakage. A lot of your single pane glass, a lot of your old double hung wood windows only have a single pane glass. The new glass packs that they put in any replacement window today are argon filled. You want to have an argon filled IG unit in any window that you purchase to replace in your home. That argon is going to slow down the temperature. It's going to slow down temperature exchange from the outside of your home to the inside of your home. Argon is heavier than air. When the temperature on the inside of your house is cool and that cool air hits the glass, it's going to slow down the transference of that to the outside of the house. Also, all of your new products, your new windows that are on the market, the air leakage is going to be a lot lower. You're not going to have so much air passing through from the windows. So that would probably be the most effective way to see a difference in your heating and cooling and comfort levels in your home.